reset the oil light now. We just changed the oil. We're going to turn the key on. Oh, I got to turn the radio down. And we're going to put it on trip A. So we're on trip A. Turn the key back off. Ooh, can I do this? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I should grab the tripod, is I'm going to hold down on the trip. I'm holding down on trip. I'm going to turn the key back on. And if you look, there we go. It's reset. So if I turn it off and back on one more time, you don't have to start it up either. You just turn the key off and on. We got no more maintenance light on. Quick and easy. Oh, and just for the heck of it, I'll change it back to odometer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.